How to delete pet in Widgetable. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete pet in Widgetable. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you wanna do is let me open the Widgetable app. And here you wanna go to more section. And then go to pets. As you can see right here, I have no pets in this section. But if you have one and you wanna delete it, you can see a 3 dots option on the side and you wanna click it. Then it will show you a button to reactivate the pet. In that way, the pet will disappear like deleted. And that's how to delete pets in Widgetable. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.